Let's look at stock rotation. The correct storage and stock rotation of all types of food is vital to make sure that the quality and the safety of the food is maintained at a high standard. Great stock rotation also helps to avoid waste. And we know that waste is a big concern because anything that you may throw away is money in the dustbin. Stock rotation is particularly important for high-risk foods in order to limit the multiplication of pathogens or bacteria that can cause food poisoning. Other problems that can occur when you have not got a good stock rotation system in place is the growth of mold, insect infestation, spoilage, slime, and smells. The first principle to remember in stock rotation is FIFO, F-I-F-O, which stands for first in, first out. This means that the stock that was first to arrive is the first stock that must be used. This is something to remember when putting a stock rotation system in place. By making sure that we use first in, first out in our system, it will help to ensure that we don't get into the habit of using the most recently delivered items first. This will leave items right at the back of your stock rotation cycle that will definitely spoil and go to waste. The other motto to keep in mind is, when in doubt, throw it out. If it looks bad or smells bad, don't take a risk. Throw it away. The shelf life of most food should be clearly indicated on the label. Apart from expired food being dangerous to your guests' health, it is also illegal to serve expired food. It's illegal to use it while cooking or sell any food that has passed its expiry date. When food is made or repackaged in your kitchen, you do need to ensure that it is vacuum packed or packaged correctly and then labeled, indicating what the dish or item is, the date when you packaged the items, and also who packaged the item. This will help with the first in, first out procedure and product identification. Let's look at how to ensure that stock rotation is done correctly. All staff members need to know the importance of stock rotation and exactly how you expect it to be done. Make sure that the food that is delivered is not too close to the expiry date, as this will not have a good shelf life. Next, when new stock is delivered, the old stock needs to be packed in the front of the shelf, and the newly delivered stock needs to be packed at the back, because this way we will use the older stock first. Stock rotation checks should also be done daily on all short life, high risk, and perishable foods in the refrigerator. While doing these checks, you need to check for damaged, spoiled, or expired goods. If any products are found that are not fit for consumption, they need to be removed as they cannot be used, as they will infect the other food. Weekly checks should also be done on lower risk items, on dry store goods, and on kitchen and cleaning chemical stores. Also, we need to do weekly checks on our frozen foods. As with the daily checks, you need to look for damaged packaging, for contamination, and for spoiled food. Food that is not moved or rotated for a long period of time will cause pest infestation.